I'd like to thank our hosts, those involved in Vatu Talei, Richmond Limited, Sofitel, Fiji Airways, BSP Life. Thank you all very much for inviting us all to be here to celebrate the groundbreaking of this new and very ambitious but achievable project of the building of this newest hotel on Denarau. As I mentioned in my speech earlier today, I'm proud to be part of this whole development. When we started off, there were a lot of detractors, and we still have a lot, who question the wisdom of the Denarau Land Exchange Act. Today we had with us, performing the ceremonies of welcome, the traditional ceremonies of welcome, the chiefs and the people of Narewa and Navatulevu of Nandi. And we weren't blessed with the presence of the Turanganatui Nandi. I believe he had come to be with us. He was observing Shabbat, and that is now over. Oh, and he is here today. So please welcome Turanganatui Nandi. Momo Lebuna Tuinandi, Nimbulabinaka. Nimbulabinaka. He has assured me that he's forgiven us for working on his Shabbat. And I don't know why he told his Sauturanga and Matanivanua to come and perform the Angona ceremony when he doesn't drink it. But I think it is a great occasion for us to come and celebrate. We celebrate the courage, we celebrate the wisdom, we celebrate the foresight of all those that have participated in the formulation of the idea and actually putting their money where their mouth is and brave enough to start with the groundbreaking ceremony here this afternoon. A good friend of mine was interviewed in the American TV a few days ago, and he sent me a video recording of that interview. It's more than 1 hour. This guy wrote a bestseller a few years ago of The Gift of Fear. And then 9/11 happened and he wrote Fearless. And his third book was Protecting the Gift. And yesterday he told me, Sitiveni, when there is a threat at a train station, the people will get on the train wherever it is going, not knowing where it's going. They want to get away from the threat. We know there is a threat. We know there has been this looming threat of the rise of the other nations and the faltering back or falling back of the slow growth nations like us in Fiji. So recent governments have started to work with the private sector and investors from all over the world, and with the blessings of the landowners that here in Nandi, we saw the nucleus of a growth, the beginning, the genesis of a project that has grown to be what it is today. All these internationally branded hotels, and now yet another one that will offer travelers to Fiji more than 300 rooms, high quality rooms, luxury rooms for high-end tourists who are going to be coming here, carried of course by Fiji Airways in their brand new aircraft. We welcomed one on Tuesday. There's another one coming, Andre, next week or in a few days' time. Keep them coming, Andre. Keep them coming. Nalin, if you do not if you do not produce results, Nalin, we'll come after you. So we're here just to celebrate. And I thank my Deputy Prime Minister, Bill Rabuka, for the great work he is doing with investors and owners and the marketers who are marketing Fiji as now the ideal destination. We thank our own airlines, Fiji Airways, for winning that grand award a few months ago. And now we're looking forward to welcoming the 1 millionth what? Tourists. I'm also looking forward to 2 million, all told, returning members of our diaspora out there and tourists. They're going to be carried to Fiji, and they will be carried by none other than our own airlines, using their brand new aircraft, and the most recent one, the island of Mbanga. So we thank you all. Thank you all very, very much. I appreciate those of us who've come along at the invitation of those involved. We wish them well. I'm sure they will reap great successes from their brave and courageous investment in this venture. We congratulate the Chief Tunarangambal and Momo Lebuna Tuinandi and your Renato Nomdo Unibebusa, Lenibe Matagali, Vinavo Lebuna Ingu, Vinavo Lebuna Mbole, Vinavo Lebuna Sangani Rare in Abagayo, Kenakasanga Matin Tuinangonea, Kitoa, my Saini Saranga and Summertunio Jibobina Sheraton Nangonea. That's where we signed the Ndenarau Land Exchange Act. And I am proud to have been the Prime Minister involved in that. And I'm still proud I'm proud not to be back, to continue this march. And with your cooperation, with your help, and with the help of all our friends, international investors who come to be with us, we congratulate them and we congratulate ourselves, and we thank the chiefs and the people of Nandi for their cooperation. May God bless us all.